All right, so light trade recap here for Monday, July 6th. Had a 500 AM profit. Says I made 6 trades, but realistically it was 3. I just added to all 3, and that counted as 2 for each. And this is on 2 150K Express accounts. Um, Decided not to really go for like super big wins, not really risking a whole lot because I have had a really big issue with blowing accounts, and I wanted to take it slow this time, and that's why I'm also documenting all my trades and posting them. But anyways, over here on NQ, I noticed that ES started pumping before NQ. If you can see this candle and these candles right here, pumped, and NQ kind of did that a little later at 9:30. So at 9:30 open, um, I didn't get in on this down wick here. I got in a little after, and basically I wanted this to go higher, but it didn't end up going higher. So I kind of ended up doing a 1-to-1. As soon as I think this candle got above my 1-to-1 ratio, I put my stop right below it just to secure profits. And then when it went back down, I entered again at the same, pretty much the same entry point that I did on the last trade. Almost didn't go my way and ended up going higher. Again, this was a 1-to-5, and when I saw this wick, or at least like go above my 1-to-5, I put my stop really close to it just to secure profits again. Pretty choppy start to the day. There were a lot of wicks. I was looking at the 5 minute too. A lot of wicks down, and then over here I had also a 1.5, but ended up getting stopped out of break even, and because that was my daily trade limit, I got locked out. But another reason that I wanted to enter this trade was because we swept this low right here pretty precisely, and it was within this 4-hour fair value gap that kind of on the 4-hour. Hold on, if it wants to load. It didn't end up closing below it, and it was super close to tapping into this 4-hour fair value gap, very very close, like 3 ticks, three pips. Um, and then I kind of wanted this to go higher, but as soon as I saw that the reason for entering this one specifically, which I probably should have held on to, but that's okay, um, was because we were starting to chop a lot up here, losing momentum on MACD as well. And this wick went all the way up here, rejected, so decided to enter. But because I was already up 500, I didn't want to risk more than I was already up, so I decided to put it break even pretty early. And yeah, so that is the trade recap for today.